Hey guys, hey listen, I want to talk about the loss of the neck curvature, okay? The neck is called the cervical spine, and so many people lose the normal curvature in their neck. Normally your head's like 12 to 15 pounds. Now think about your skull, heavy skull, resting on a straight spine with no cushion. Think about what that does to the muscles and the tendons and ligaments and the discs. It can definitely create more stress in your neck. Okay, so you need that curve. And what destroys the curve is usually a whiplash. Either someone hitting you or you hitting someone and your neck whipping back, and then the whole thing goes in a spasm and you lose the curve in the neck. I've had many whiplash injuries. I've even fell upside down on my head, okay, and that does not help the curvature of the spine. Okay, so I'm going to show you a great stretch to put the curve back in using this little tool right here. So come with me and let's show you how to do it. Okay, so we have this little tool right here. It's very simple. We take the widest part right here, and on your couch, you lean back and you put this right in the mid part of your neck. And you sit back and you let gravity push your head back into this device, and you do this before you go to bed for 2 minutes. And it actually puts the curve back in, and it makes your neck really, really calm, and it helps you sleep. So this is the way that the method that I use to help put the curve back in. So give it a try and let me know how you like it.